Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly displays, but users frequently encounter full-screen display issues. These problems have become more common with 4K content and varying aspect ratios. These issues typically manifest in three ways: black bars on the sides or top and bottom of the screen, stretched or compressed images that look distorted, and content that doesn't fill the entire display area. The primary causes include incorrect display resolution settings, mismatched aspect ratios between content and monitor, graphics driver compatibility issues, monitor internal scaling settings, and operating system display scaling conflicts. The first solution is adjusting Windows display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Ensure the recommended resolution is selected and adjust the scaling to 100% if content appears oversized. If Windows settings don't resolve the issue, access your graphics control panel. For NVIDIA users, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position and select Full Screen Scaling. AMD users should set scaling mode to full panel, while Intel users should select Maintain Aspect Ratio. Finally, you can adjust settings directly on the monitor using the on-screen display. Use the monitor's physical buttons to access the menu, navigate to picture or display settings, and look for aspect ratio or image size options. Select Full, 16:9, or Auto depending on available choices. These three methods resolve most Sceptre monitor display issues. Start with Windows display settings, then try your graphics control panel, and finally use the monitor's built-in controls if needed. Advanced troubleshooting techniques can resolve the most persistent Sceptre monitor display issues. We'll explore custom resolution creation, examine key industry statistics, and discuss future developments in display technology. For advanced troubleshooting, create custom resolutions in your graphics control panel. Intel users can access display settings through Intel UHD Graphics Control Panel, while NVIDIA users should use the NVIDIA Control Panel's desktop size and position settings. Industry experts have identified key patterns in monitor display issues. Understanding these statistics helps prioritize troubleshooting approaches and set realistic expectations for resolution success rates. Recent data from 2024 to 2025 reveals that 65% of budget monitor display issues stem from incorrect scaling settings rather than hardware defects. Additionally, 78% of Sceptre monitor issues can be resolved through software adjustments alone. Looking ahead to 2026, the display technology landscape will undergo significant improvements. These developments will make monitor setup and troubleshooting more intuitive and automated. Three major improvements are expected by 2026. First, AI-driven automatic scaling will optimize display settings intelligently. Second, better driver integration will enable seamless resolution switching. Third, enhanced monitor firmware will provide more intuitive on-screen display interfaces. Proper cable selection is crucial for optimal display performance. Different connection types support varying resolutions and refresh rates, directly impacting your monitor's capabilities. This comparison chart shows different monitor cable types and their capabilities. DisplayPort and HDMI offer the best performance for modern monitors, while USB-C provides versatility for newer devices. Always use high-quality cables that support your monitor's full bandwidth requirements. Following established best practices ensures optimal monitor performance and prevents common issues. These recommendations come from display technology specialists and years of troubleshooting experience. 5 essential best practices will prevent most display issues. First, always set your monitor's native resolution immediately after connection. Second, update graphics drivers monthly for optimal compatibility. Third, invest in high-quality cables that support full bandwidth. Fourth, check for monitor firmware updates every 3 months. Finally, avoid non-integer scaling ratios whenever possible to maintain image clarity. Remember that most Sceptre monitor display issues are software-related and highly solvable through systematic troubleshooting. By following these advanced techniques and best practices, you can achieve optimal display performance and prevent future problems.